Ukraine is close to closing the cauldron on the Seim River, and up to 3,000 Russian soldiers remain inside, reports the German Bild. The situation is becoming desperate for Russians after Ukraine destroyed all 3 bridges across the river. And that's not all. The Ukrainian army is tracking Russian pontoon bridge building attempts over the Seim in real time and destroying trucks and equipment as soon as they arrive with FPV drones. 13 kilometers from the border in Russia's Kursk Oblast. The Ukrainian army also captured Agronome and Kolmakov, southeast of Sudzha. Battles for Ruskaya Konopelka continue with Russian ground forces defending the village. Russian propagandists seem annoyed over this footage. I have no idea why those American Humvees looks to perform good alongside Ukrainian fighters inside Russia. Russian forces are starting the dig trenches around the nuclear power plant of Kursk near Kurchatov in Russia. Yes, the Russian 3-day war has reached this point. If this is not absolute confidence, I don't what it is. According to Romanov and other Russian sources, Ukrainian forces have started offensive operations and became more active in Zaporizhzhia near Polohi, waiting for further confirmation. New threat in the making? Ukrainian soldiers from the 79th Separate Airborne Assault Brigade repulse another Russian offensive in the Donetsk region. A Ukrainian sniper eliminated 2 Russian soldiers. Meanwhile, a large fuel depot in Russia's Proletarsk is still in flames days after a Ukrainian drone attack, and the situation is getting worse. This is easily the most effective Ukrainian attack on Russian oil industry ever in this war. My feeling is that they won't bring the grand fire down until the entire facility is totally evaporated. We'll see. These Kursk Oblast residents were asked if they would rejoin Ukraine and become part of its territory. They all said yes, all of them. One of them said it's much better in Ukraine.
Конечно. Почему? Там лучше, чем здесь.
Опа. Такой провокационный вопрос.
Провокационный вопрос.
Не, возможно бы. Возможно.
Возможно.
Да.
The Russian Federation has launched 9,600 missiles over Ukraine since 2022. The air defense forces have shot down 2,400, reported Commander-in-Chief of the Armed Forces of Ukraine Syrsky. Highlights from the Commander-in-Chief's speech: the armed forces control 1,263 square kilometers of the territory of the Russian Federation and 93 settlements. An advance from 28 to 35 kilometers deep is observed. Ukraine is close to closing the boiler on the Seim River. All 3 bridges have been destroyed. Up to 3,000 soldiers of the Russian Federation may be surrounded. By October 1st, Putin ordered the liberation of the Kursk region. The situation with artillery ammunition at the front has improved. Now the ratio is 1-3, and in winter it was 1-7 in Russian favor.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become a